It is my opinion that of the girls, you are probably the most introspective, deep thinker, and most easily hurt by people. Why? Why do you say so, John? Why do you say so? Why do you say so? Yeah, no, you know what? You know, you're having you're working with your PhD about psychology, right? So you can tell. Oh my God. Why do you say so, Jad? It's just my impression or telling me Charis. Yes. You're making me cry. It's just my impression. Are you telling me I'm wrong? No, you're right. You're telling me. You want to know the truth? It's partially because you try to take care of everyone, which means you probably don't feel like people take care of you. But you need to know that you're totally worthy. Aww, you're making me cry. Because yeah, that's actually true, John. That I I'm so easily attached to people. Yes, um, I I value everyone around me, and I don't have, or I don't know if they think or they value me back. But yeah, I don't care. I actually don't care as long as I know myself that I'm good. I'm good. Yes. That my intentions for them are pure. Yes. Well, that's more than, oh my god. That's is the most important for me. And now you're 18% innocent because you make me cry. Charis. You're